Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about the less command. The less command is used to display the contents of a file, but it's a bit different from the cat command. If you remember, the cat command displays the file's content in the terminal. For example, if I type cat /etc/password and enter, it displayed for me the results. It displayed for me the content of the file, but as you can see, it's in the terminal outside because you can see that the command is over here. But the less command sort of opens the file or enters the file itself. So this time I'll type less and then /etc/password and enter. And you can see that in here I am inside the file itself. I'm not in the terminal outside. So if there is more than one page that is displayed, then you will press on Ctrl F to get to the next page. And if you want to get to the previous page, you will press on Ctrl B. Okay, now if you want to search for a particular word, then you will press on slash. As you can see, as soon as you press slash, it will give you the option to write something here. And for example, I'll type anything. I'll type NTP and enter. And as you can see, it took you to the line where it found the word NTP. And of course, if you type slash and then type anything after it, for example RPC, and enter, it will take you to the locations where it found RPC in it. And after you have finished viewing the file that you like, you will press on Q to get out of the file. And as you can see, you are back outside on the terminal. So by this lesson we have seen how to open a file with the less command. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.